Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Glutathione Injection Terminal White Strong Whitening Milk. Glutathione Injection Body Lotion is a strong lightening and brightening cream that is great in restoring suppleness to your skin. It is specially designed to get rid of any kind of skin problem. This lotion prevents excessive melanin production, resulting in a brighter skin tone. It also clears dark spots and fades stretch marks. It makes your skin clear, youthful and luminous. It is formulated with powerful ingredients that are effective in toning and removing all forms of patches from the skin. This lotion clears scars, wrinkles, blemishes, melasma, sunburns and all freckles. Glutathione Injection Body Lotion unifies, clarifies and also promotes skin rejuvenation. It restores the skin and makes it healthier, beautiful. It smoothens the skins and clears brown spots, sunburns, wrinkles, blemishes, all dark spots, melasma and discoloration. This cream gives you a clear, flawless and glowing complexion. This cream is potent and would lighten your skin gradually with time. This product is most effective if applied with glutathione injection soap. If you want to become fairer in no time, you have to buy the complete set of Glutathione Injection Body Lotion for fast result. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.